Zoe. Go ahead, you want to say hi to Zoe? Go ahead, Zoe, say hi to Tony. Say hi, Tony. Hi, Tony. Say hi, Tony. That's Tony. That's Tony, Zoe. You like him? You like your new husband? Do you? Gentle, gentle, good girl. Good girl. Time for a rest for Tony. You be a good boy. He's so little. He's so little. Oh, Tony wants to play. Tony wants to play. Tony wants to play, pets. You want to play with Tony? It's okay, Tony Boney. It's okay. Tony. Tony. Hi, Tony. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby.
Come on, Zoe. It's not too deep for him?
Just that baby section right there. Right there is fine.
Oh, it's perfect. I thought it was too deep. Oh, he's thirsty.
Don't let him drink too much, Nick, in case there's salt and chemicals in there.
No, don't tell me. No. What? Hey, Zoe. Oh, don't.
He's not budging. Move, Tony. There you go. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, wow.
You trying to lay down?
He's sitting in it.
You like the water? Huh? You like it?
Oh, Nick. The frog. Look. I'm sure he doesn't eat those. No.
He's so cute. You gotta wash some of that pee-pee off him. I scrub them, but it's hard to scrub bones.
Yeah, I know. I felt his ribs.
Yeah.
Oh. Sure, that's good. Oh.
All right, Nick, you won't let him drown, right?
I'm thinking about it.
No, I'm serious. You're not going to let him out of your sight for a second?
No,
not 1 second.
He's going to stay right here.
All right. All right, guys. Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Bye, Tony. Bye. Oh, God. You're so cute, Tony. Zoe, you like Tony? Good girl, Zoe. Good girl. Good girl, Zoe. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.
Winds forecast fair with temperature of 20 degrees. Thank you for listening and have a good flight.
Top of these columns, they are all plated. Like a date bunch, one bunch of dates.
Nikki,
Hello.
that was possibly beautiful.
Look how big this is. Because it is gold. This is
No, he told me it's got a special name. That it faces Mecca. Let me go sit down. I want to see this light. It's pretty big, huh? I'm surprised they let you in it. It's going to be in the next tour book. What's that, Nick?
they built that.
I don't know. Swarovski. Beautiful.
Comes up in English. See?
Is that USA on the bottom? August 11th. Asia. Cool. Love it.